Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on Manta cryptocurrency out here, which is obviously in an extremely good shape out here. We're just breaking the all-time high and continuing, something pretty much expectable when you deliver so well on the fundamental side. And on top of that, you get picked up by Binance and many other exchanges that are ready to push volume into. Speaking about Manta, it is a network in the modular system for Web3. Users can build and deploy any Solidity-based decentralized applications on Manta and leverage its technology stack to deliver faster transaction speeds than layer 1 and lower gas costs than layer 2. So an amazing way of working around the business. I'd like to share with you more details on the price section wise. We don't have too much coming out from those details, but there's some sufficient information at the moment out there that can be utilized basically for a nice approach. So we're going to dive into the markets and share with you more details. But before we speak about it, for those of you that are interested in my trading journey and experience out there, for those of you that would like to feel inspired about, we have some trading going on Bybit. For example, we got into a scalping right here. $70,000 is pure profit on this one, and you can basically participate in my trades for those of you that are interested. Option number 1 is without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. Simple and straightforward, completely done for you and outsourced, right? So we receive API trading permission and we can execute a trade for you folks. At the same time, the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is looking to achieve financial freedom through crypto trading, through the crypto space as a part-time or full-time, it doesn't matter. What matters is to participate correctly and trade correctly. Let's see what's happening on Manta, folks. And a lot of you will say right now that it's impossible to do any form of a technical analysis on a cryptocurrency which is so fresh. In some way, and partially, it's true, but at the same time, not completely, which is why I'm making this video. So I'd like to focus on that side of the things that are not completely. Now we speak about the things that could be run into the technicals, and we would like to portray a couple of things. So first of all, we are on the hourly candlesticks, guys, and anything we are speaking at this moment is not really based on major quantity of information, but there are still some valuable insights out there, such as the $2.8 level, which has been confirmed twice already, and this is already coming out to be as a pattern. This pattern of trading is also reacting basically to the golden pocket after retracing from the all-time high, after having the 50 days moving average orange line right there, and it's having basically the upper and short volume weighted average price as well holding that structure. So it's no wonder that we have reacted here and bouncing towards the upside again, which is also a proof how the markets are basically reacting based on the charts. At the end of the day, that's how the markets are going around. Speaking about the movement towards the upside is the most difficult thing, and lack of accuracy. That's true. When you dive into the all-time high price discovery range, you cannot be that accurate on cryptocurrencies that are so fresh. That's true, and I'll tell you honestly. But when it comes down towards the downside, it's a lot easier, and we can spot some great entries if the markets are going to that direction, such as the $2.5 plus the retest of this lows right here that will be quite easily to be taking them out at $2.2 as it is. So what about towards the upside? Well, towards the upside, you have the ability to get into the extension number 2, 3.5. You also have the ability to retrace and push into the 2.41 for major one at 3.8, and then you retrace to 3.5, and push into the 4.2. Number 3 extension, right? So there's 3 targets right there. If the market is recovering right now in terms of the crypto space, Ethereum, BTC, and all the other altcoins, Manta is going to break the tops. There's one thing that I'm looking for you guys to be aware about is that crypto Manta was 20 cents just a couple of days ago. So are you actually aware of the increase we have been going through already from 20 cents until the current price action? It is an insane amount of increase. This is the Binance chart, and speaking about just the 20 cents, we're also trading below that. It's already in 7 days, 1,402%, guys. I mean, please keep that in mind that in this case scenario, it's 14x profit already, 14x. Keep that in mind, folks. $100,000 on a 14x means speaking about $1.4 million in 7 days. $1.4 million in 7 days, folks. That's what this cryptocurrency has successfully delivered to some people. Of course, not to everyone. But the volume it has is actually allowing it to stay so high, and it's permitting for those guys that made so much money to set it away, sell out without impacting the price action. Let me share with you, folks. If I go by the volume to rank my cryptos, you will be able to discover, where is it? Once again, by volume, Manta Network is right here in the tops. It is close to $1 billion volume for the last 24 hours. I mean, it's no wonder that there's people selling here millions and millions of dollars, and others are loading their bags up with a lot of the money into this one, benefiting of major volatility and enjoying to trade that. So it's no question, but you're actually having more volume than the majority of the biggest alts out there that are in the sector. Take a look at that. I mean, it's uncomparable, right? You have $854 million volume. Insane. Great potential, folks, to go towards the upside. But at the same time, you gotta be careful. If the crypto space is having another dump, Manta is gonna get hit hard by that and will easily get near the $2 area. So you need to be prepared that any cryptocurrency which is moving like this will also have its reverse movement towards the downside quite aggressively. The movement towards the downside can easily appear from much, much higher levels than today's price. That's it where we are, folks. Enjoy, like the video. For those of you that would like to be part of my trading, feel free to reach out and contact me at the same time the one-on-one coaching. Talk to you soon. Take care.